What is TypeScript? TypeScript is an open source object-oriented programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. It's just a superset of JavaScript. So whatever you can do in JavaScript, you can do that in TypeScript as well. So you can imagine, like, if you know JavaScript, you already know TypeScript. Just that you have to learn some things like interfaces, static typing, generic. These are some of the features that you need to learn, and otherwise you know everything in TypeScript if you are aware about JavaScript. Okay, so TypeScript was basically designed for the development of large applications, and whenever you write your program and compile a TypeScript file, it transpiles to JavaScript. As browsers understand only JavaScript, so whatever code you write in TypeScript is transpiled to JavaScript, and then it is executed in the browser. So in a nutshell, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript.